Okay, find the slope of the line. Again, look to make sure that you're counting by ones or twos or whatever. Sam the slope man, remember, he can only go left or right. He's kind of an odd dude. Okay, they gave us 2 points. They gave us these two right here. So I'm just going to go up, and then I'm going to go over. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is 6 over 4. Then I know I can reduce that because they're both divisible by 2. So I get my slope is 3/2. And I can go check and make sure by going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Am I on the line still? Yep. And then from there, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. On the line still. Okay, this guy. So again, stop the video. Do this one yourself. Okay, did you really stop it? I don't know. Some of you probably did. Some of you probably didn't. Okay, left to right. So you have to go from this side. Now, am I counting up or am I counting down? I'm counting down. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. So I've got -4. And then I've got from here to here is 1. 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 Some people are having trouble with understanding how to count those. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4. How many little doop-doops do you have there? Okay, so I've got -4 over 4. Well, that one I know. I can divide top and bottom by 4. And I'm going to have m equals -1. Okay, great job, guys.